Hello and welcome to our review of the Corsair PC Build Kit. Today, we're going to be discussing this product and giving you an idea of what it's like to use it. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced PC builder, this kit might be worth checking out. So, let's dive in and see what it has to offer. The Corsair PC Build Kit is a great option for those who are just starting to build their own PC. The kit comes with all of the components that you need to get started, including a case, power supply, and motherboard. One of the great things about this kit is that it includes high-quality components from Corsair, which is a well-known and respected brand in the PC building community. The case included in the kit is the Corsair 4000D Airflow, which is a mid-tower case that has plenty of space for components and excellent airflow. The case features a tempered glass side panel, which allows you to show off your components and keep an eye on your build as you go. The case also has plenty of room for cable management, which is essential for keeping your build tidy and organized. The power supply included in the kit is the Corsair CX650M, which is a 650W80 plus bronze certified power supply. This power supply is efficient, reliable, and has plenty of power for most builds. The power supply also features a semi-modular design, which means that you can only use the cables that you need, reducing clutter in your case. The motherboard included in the kit is the MSI B450 Tomahawk Max, which is a great option for those who are looking to build a mid-range gaming PC. The motherboard has plenty of features, including support for AMD Ryzen processors, DDR4 memory, and M.2 SSDs. The motherboard also has plenty of connectivity options, including USB 3.2, Ethernet, and audio jacks. The Corsair PC Build Kit is a great option for those who are looking to build a mid-range gaming PC. The components included in the kit are all high quality, and they work together seamlessly to deliver excellent performance. The MSI B450 Tomahawk Max motherboard is a great foundation for your build, and it has plenty of features to support a powerful gaming PC. The Corsair 4000D Airflow case is also excellent for gaming, as it has plenty of space for high-end components and excellent airflow to keep your build cool. The case also features a tempered glass side panel, which allows you to show off your components and keep an eye on your build as you go. Overall, the Corsair PC Build Kit is a great option for those who are just starting to build their own PC. The kit comes with all of the components that you need to get started, and they are all high-quality components from Corsair. The case, power supply, and motherboard all work together seamlessly to deliver excellent performance. And a kit is a great option for those who are looking to build a mid-range gaming PC. If you're looking for a high-quality PC building starter kit, then the Corsair PC Build Kit is definitely worth checking out.